Today is Earth Day, a day when the whole world comes together to celebrate the earth and show support for protecting it. And whether that means you plant a tree, pitch in to clean up a beach, or get involved in a fundraiser to help protect our environment, I want to thank you. So in honor of the day, we thought it'd be appropriate to share a recipe that showcases a vegetable that grows underground. It's these sweet onions, and watch what we do with them. We start by trimming both ends of 3 large sweet onions. And even though it's tempting to peel them, make sure you leave the skins on these. Next, we place each onion on a piece of foil, drizzle them with olive oil, season them with salt and pepper, and top each one with a sprig or 2 of fresh thyme. Then we'll wrap them loosely and pop them in the oven to slow roast until they're super tender. After these come out and you unwrap them, simply peel back the skin and dig in. Thanks to our slow roasting method, every onioning bite features that creamy, sweet, buttery texture that we love. The recipe for our roasted sweet onions is online now and is perfect for Earth Day or any day. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a straight from the earth way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.